Be, kahit negative dito, be. Naligo ako today. Wow, congrats to me. Ito, be, nag-heater na agad ako. Kasi, ang lamig. Kung alam mo lang yung hinga ko, may usok nga eh. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko talaga maligo kasi hindi ko na gusto yung pakiramdam na ano eh. Sabi nga nila sa panood ko sa TV, kasi siguro ito yung epekto ng coronavirus. Yung mga tao nagiging OC na. Oo, so parang sabi ko, pagkakamata ko ng ulo ko, pakiramdam ko, kaya madumi yung kuko ko. Dahil sa alikabok na pupunta sa ulo ko, at kakamutin ko, mapupunta sa kuko ko, mga ganon. Nag-prepare na kasi kami ngayon dahil aalis na kami dito dahil hindi ko na kaya ang lamig eh. Oo, at walang signal. Ang hirap ng walang signal. Thank you. Thank you, Kiran.
Sa'yo lang.
Sukriya. Ayan. Ala! Oh! Lagot. You put it there?
Yeah.
Pero po natin almusal, egg, and it's like parata, no?
Yeah.
Parata. But no oil.
Yeah. Without oil.
Morning. Thank you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Did you have a good sleep?
Huh?
Did you have a good sleep? Good sleep?
Yeah, but I want to sleep more.
Sorry. So, good morning guys. So ayan, prepared na po kami lahat to. Prepared na po kami para umalis. Imagine kayo na habang naliligo ako, nakatingin ako dyan, no? Sa banyo kasi nila may bintana. Sasabi ko, habang nag-concert ako paligo, sabi ko, wow, I'm on the top of the world. Kahit hindi ako sa ibabaw. Pero ang bongga no, yung kapitbahay mo, mga ganyang bundok, ganyan kataas yung mga kapitbahay mo na bundok. Na, hey, kumusta kayo dyan? Hey, papagitnaan talaga kayo ng mga bundok, oh. Bundok over here, and bundok also here. Wow! Naalala ko nga, Betty, yung mga sinasend niya sa akin picture nung may mga almonds pa dito. Diyan. Oh my God, magbababay yung pamilya niya, narinig ko na sila. Ano sasabihin ko? I have no other words but thank you and goodbye. And I'm just grateful for the opportunity to be welcomed by such a loving family. Ayun na sila. Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Yeah. Good morning! I didn't hear you cry. No crying today, ha? Morning! Good morning! Huh?
Yeah, lots of family.
Yeah, like everyone is here.
Yeah, everyone is here. Just come. They will.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Listen, 짜장.
Oh. Bye bye.
짜장 니슈나 봐. 오탁샤.
No. Bye bye po. Bye bye, sir. Bye bye. So sad. Oh, your mom is crying.
It's okay. It's just for a while. She is emotional just for a while.
Bye bye. So sad. I don't want to see mother crying eh. It's like my mom crying also when I left Philippines. Good morning, Kasin. Ayan, di ba? Bongga ng paghatid po sa atin. Ang dami naghatid sa atin. Like everyone in the family wake up very early to send us to the sakayan. Thank you so much. Shukriya everyone. Thank you everyone. Shukriya all.
Shukriya. Sabko.
Ha?
Sabko.
Sabko. Shukriya Sabko. Good morning, Abu. Did you enjoy our game last night? Because we played last night. I was expecting that Kiran will cry today.
You will remember this day.
Yeah, I will remember this place for playing cricket. Even I didn't eat it. Thank you so much. Sukriya. Sabko. Sukriya shop, sabko. Hi, Zach. Yahale, Zach. I hope to remember all the names of everyone. Magpapaalam na po tayo sa lugar nila. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I think my pant is not enough. Yeah, I feel now the coldness in my legs. 2 layers lang po yung pantalon ko eh. Ramdam ko yung lamig. Okay. Bye-bye. So ayun, nag-bye-bye na po tayo sa kanila. Bye-bye! I'm thankful that they are so very warm in welcoming us and then sending us back. Yeah. Ang lamig po ng kamay namin eh. Nakikita niyo po yung usok sa bunganga ko.
Jangir.
This is Chacha, Abu, Aza. What's the name of Kasim? Kasim, yeah. Yeah. Zaki, Kasim. Diba? Alam ko po yan isa-isahin. And he's smiling all the time also. He's smiling all the time.
Yeah, he's smiling.
Look at the lens. Look at the... I think my hands is used to the coldness na. Later I will put it here.
Yeah.
Sakila.
You know.
Last night. She watched also the video of my sister's wedding. Of me dancing
Together.
Send my regards to your father in Kwa.
Yeah.
I'm very thankful to meeting everyone.
Hayatat किरण की वो बुश कुरियाना वो तू बोझा महसूसरान वो काइंडनेस महसूसरान यानी कि वो ऐसा महसूसरान यानी क्या माँ की वाली
Ayan na, that's it? Yeah, that's it. That's not. This one, ABC. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Shukriya. बहुत शुक्रिया. What phone is that?
Yeah, it's my...
Yeah. Come for me, Zach. Come for me, Zach. Come for me, Zach. Bye bye. So bye bye now, Yasin. We're now going to Gilgit. So bumaba muna po si Irfan para ipaalam na aalis na kami. Okay, you go first.
So I say that
You're laughing na tuloy.
actually I'm saying that this road is especially for dangerous for driving. Actually this one way. This one is difficult to drive, but both is safe. Like this guy is driving very good. Yeah. Because he have experience to driving. Like so that's why. That's laughing. I'm laughing when you are good camera on my face.
Naiinis na ako sa'yo. Bakit mo ba ako ginaganito? Ikaw ba'y naguguluhan sa aking tunay na nararamdaman sa'yo? Ano pa bang dapat na gawin pa? Sa aking pananamit at pananalita upang iyong mapagbigyan pansin aking paghanga at pagtingin sa'yo.
Oh my God, look. That's how they cross. I've seen something like that in Senegal or in Sri Lanka, I think. Sri Lanka, yeah.
Here also lots of places
So-
people using this.
Yeah, so and then they will wait for other people to come back. So
Same like
so hard. Huh? I wish I can try that.
we will try in Mari.
There is in Mari like
Yeah,
that.
in Mari.
Wow. Actually, may napanood akong ganun sa YouTube parang sa Nepal ata yun. And actually sa Nepal, mas madali pa yung itsura kasi mas matibay tignan. Pero hindi to parang grabe. Parang ako yung natakot na parang gusto ko siyang matry. So, imagine mo ang lamig, di ba, nangangatog ka tapos ganun. Pero oh my God, nakakaloka. Parang ang hirap ang hirap ng ganun. Actually, minsan nakakakaba pag kami liliko kami sa mga kalsada dito tapos yung edge ganyan lang yung masyadong malapit na nakakakaba siya minsan. Alam mo parang ilang araw na ako dito, napapawaw pa rin talaga ako tuwing nakikita ko. Kaya paborito ko. Natuwa ako pag nakikita ko yung chicken tikka. Hindi, sabi ko ang tagal ko na dito pero sobrang na-amaze pa rin ako tuwing nakikita ko yung mga bundok nila. Like, wow. Oh, wow. Diba? Amazing. Ang galing talaga na paggawa ng Panginoon, no? Oh, diba yung feeling ko parang nasa roller coaster ako?
Meron pa kayang tulad mo na merong mga matang katulad sa'yo? Sa bawat tingin, tila ba nagsasabing mananatili hanggang sa huli. Meron pa kayang tulad mo na merong mga kamay na tulad sa'yo? Sa tuwing hawak na'y di na nangangamba, kailan may hindi na mag-iisa. Pwede ko ba na malaman saan ba matatagpuan? Meron pa bang isa pang ikaw? Saan hahanapin? Sabihin sa akin kung meron pa bang isa pang ikaw. Ngayon na wala ka na, nagtatanong ang puso, meron kaya? Meron pa bang tulad mo? Saan hahanapin? Sabihin sa akin, ngayon na wala ka na. Meron pa ba? Meron pa bang isa pang ikaw? Saan hahanapin? Sabihin sa akin kung meron pa bang isa pang ikaw. Ngayon na wala ka na, nagtatanong ang puso, meron kaya? Meron pa bang tulad mo? Meron kaya? Nagtatanong ang puso, meron kaya? Meron pa ba tulad mo?
ठीक-ठाक means how are you saying like
वापसी शहर खेल बाद तो पता भी नंबर की जगह से ये गड़बड़ है गंगा में यार ये पता भी
Brussels Gates, right?
Rehan Villa
No, shopping shop.
Shapik Shube is like
क्या सब मैं वेट करूँ कम कर खत्म
We will the shopping Shiba chicken tikka.
when you arrive here you
Sure.
go. I want to test that like steamed tikka. I will try. You will try chicken.
I will try, I will eat. Why do you say in chat Oho? What's Oho? Oho.
Like we like this you say. We use this. It's not say like
Sample. Oh. I was like, oh. Ow. Ow. What was your first impression of me? What's your first impression of me? Because of course, before we didn't meet. When we first meet, what was your first impression of me? When you first saw me? No, when you first saw me in the airport. Yeah. And then nothing.
Like, oh yeah, he's
big?
Big. He's big.
Big?
He's back again.
Ah, he's back. I thought he's big. He's back. And then, what was your impression of me? Oh, later. We'll talk about it later, ah. Oh, you're angry.
It's my anger.
What's your angry bro?
What's your anger?
You want to see us, knows what's going on between us. It doesn't take a genius to read between the lines. It's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. To know what these are symptoms of.
Not yet.
Yes, be, dito na kami sa Gilgit and we're back. Yes. You carry my bag.
No, I want one.
No, you carry my bag. Ang lamig. Akala ko ba hindi ako malalamig dahil naka 4 layers na ako. Malamig pa rin pala. Sa sasakyan lang hindi masyado malamig. Ngayon gutom na kami dahil alas 10 pasado. Gusto ko na magtanghalian. Ito naman, pwede naman dun sa mag-anak na lang nila ate para libre ako. Here. It's cold again. Akala ko hindi na ako lalamigin, lamig na naman. Wow. Wait, before you, what do you put?
I will show.
What's this?
This is vinegar.
Vinegar,
We
okay.
call it silica.
Wait lang. Nahihirapan ako huminga ng lamig. Wait, we have a food here. This is called
Mamtu. Steam
Mamtu.
Steam
So,
Mamtu.
para siyang ano, mangdu naman ng, mangdu ba yun? Yung sa,
Mamtu.
I'm saying it's in ours. Sa Bonchon merong ganyan, pero fried. Mangdu. Mangdu? Parang ganyan. Pero mukha siyang siomay. Ayan, go.
So this vinegar.
Okay, you put vinegar.
Vinegar on here like this.
Sobrang asim na yan. Not too much, not too much.
This and this is.
Don't put too much
Chilies.
spicy.
These are chilies.
Do you have soy sauce? No, not too much for me.
So then where is ketchup?
Ketchup?
There's no ketchup. So
Do you
this the
do you know what soy sauce is?
soya sauce.
Soy sauce?
Yeah, the black sauce.
Yeah, do you
Yeah,
use
I know.
that for that? We use
Not here. Only chili and the vinegar. Then is the system like this. This.
yeah. I know.
This and
Okay. Oh. How does it taste?
not too much.
Okay, let's try. I'm feeling extra cold then init. Ay, ang lamig. Pa tayo. Parang puro hangin lang ang laman. Spicy. Kita naman natin, di ba, ang laman? Ang laman ay hangin. But it tastes better with soy sauce.
This is
Salt.
Yeah.
Pero mukhang kinaukaw na ng ano yung iba yung... Eh.
After this, we will eat chicken tikka.
Hey.
Aha.
Pero alam mo yung lasa, be? Same lasa lang talaga ng pagkain nila. Kasi isang pampalasa lang ginagamit nila eh. Hindi tulad ng pagkain natin. Iba yung lasa ng adobo, ng sinigang. Iba yung lasa ng sinigang sa tinola, yung mga ganon. Sa nilaga, muli kayo wala. Pero dito magkakawin. Simple.
Chicken. It's a beef meat.
Actually, masarap to be kasi malamig. Yun lang talaga siya. Nonetheless, team siomay pa din ako be. Mas masarap ang siomay. Ours is siomai. Like this siomai. Andyan na po ang ating chicken tikka. Wow. So quick. So, ito na ba yung ating chicken tikka? Let's try. Did you ask for roti?
Yeah.
Habang nag-aayos ka ng pagkain mo dito, updated ka pa sa balita. O, diba, man, United Weather Spurs storms to reach FA Cup final. Wow. Are you eating chayo? Ano?
Of course,
Why another one?
I order only one.
It's not enough. Isa lang yung kakainin namin manok. Sure ka dyan. This is not enough for both of us.
Just eat your...
Yeah, where is the roti and the chai?
Chai is not here.
Ano chai?
Chai is here only roti.
Okay, we'll wait for the roti. So, mauna na po ako kumain kay Mr. Rai. Ito na ba yung kanyang roti eh? So, maganda yung jarry dito ah. Dalawang jarry to eh. Ito yung roti, ito yung chicken tikka. Mas maganda yung jarry ng ano ah, chicken tikka than English. Okay, I will eat this in my way. Ang way kasi nila be, isang kamay lang. As in, yan yung pagkain, gaganyanin mo siya. Ayan, ganyan sila. Yung way ko be, ayan, gagamitin ko tinador. Tapos kakainin ko siyang ganyan. No ketchup. Gusto ko ng ketchup.
भाई केचप है कि नहीं?
Wala ka daw.
So guys, we are eating chicken tikka.
Ano?
It's not properly cooked. Taste is different.
Told you we should eat in my brother-in-law's restaurant. Ba't dun sa angulo na yun, ang pangit ko dyan. Ba't dito ka?
भाई टिश्यू लाओ ना टिश्यू.
5 minutes later.
So we're now done eating, guys. And we're gonna, baka may ano ako dyan ha. Ayun ha. May tinga-tinga ako, hayaan nyo nag-isa. Deadman nyo na lang muna yung tinga ko dyan. So mag-move on na tayo be para makapunta tayo sa ibang lugar.
Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin kong nanamimiss kita. Nanamimiss kita, sa'kin ikaw pa rin ang